Hello guys, welcome to a new voiceover vlog. Today we have a lot of things to do, which I'm telling you right now while I'm moving a lot. I don't even know why I'm moving like that. I'm doing my skincare using my Garnier Skin Active Cleanser. And I'm double cleansing with Taha Black Soap for a month. Stay tuned to know the results. So right now my hair looks like straight up shit. As I was saying there, my hair looks horrible. I have big heat damage and they are so dirty. I haven't washed them in 2 weeks. We're gonna fix that, okay? Right now I'm touching in and seeing what I can do with them, and I decided that yep, it's the moment and I had to wash them. So I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Elseve Hyaluronic Acid shampoo and conditioner and hop in the shower to watch them as we are speaking. All right, I'm hopping in the motherfucking shower, rinsing my hair, shampooing it, and then conditioning it. I always like to hop out of the shower when conditioning to see how my natural hair is looking, and in this case, not that good. So I applied some Cantu leave-in conditioner in my hair and some rosemary oil to nourish and hydrate my hair. Then it was time to hop in the kitchen and chop some stuff for my mom, which I did. Some greens, some peppers, and I went back to my hair, and as you can see, there's a lot of damage. I started to retwist it because, as I said before, I'm trying to them and twist for a month, and here's the result. So this is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.